caused by chip that something was glowing inside it.
We are going on a magic adventure, said Chip. The children went through the door of the magic house.
You are witnessing children reading and playing completely blindfolded. It might seem like a magic trick, but it's actually what we call addicted memory, commonly referred to as photographic memory. Photographic memory is the ability to recall an image from memory with high precision after briefly seeing it only once. The advantage of having photographic memory is that you are able to do your daily activities with less energy. It is very useful when you need to memorize many things. In most cases, you will never lose your way. There is a high possibility where you will do well in your academic performance, known as the encyclopedic knowledge. So how do we do that? Yes, what you can learn from memohead, to improve attention, to develop concentration, to improve memory skills, to enhance the capacity to learn, to have a positive character. Your children is on the pathway to become a genius. Our programs are designed to unleash hidden talents and activate the power of the brain to help children maximize their potential. You will see them mastering their brain function with incredible ease, reading through a book in a matter of minutes and see things blindfolded. If you believe it, you can achieve it too. I am Dr. Ting, the founder of Genius Mind Academy. After discussion with our team, we have decided to create an online class to allow all the students to join us anywhere, anytime. See you in my class.